the start of a new season because we are going to use for the rest of the season containers instead of trucks. It means that we use around 80 fly cases, and all the spare parts and all the stuff are inside. So first of all, when we arrive here, is open the containers and take a look inside and check if everything has gone well during the trip in the sea. The rest of the season will be with the same system, so 3 containers and the same people, so more energy.